Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Dan Russo, the Chief Market Strategist at Chaikin Analytics. Wanted to come to you with some updated thoughts here on a Wednesday afternoon. Hope everybody's having a great week. Wanted to chat today about risk management. It's something that we talk a lot about here at Chaikin Analytics. Knowing where you're going to get out before you get in, using stop orders to protect yourself, to prevent small losses from becoming big losses. But let's talk a little bit today about risk managing a position that's working in your favor. The trend in the market has been up. Our favored themes are outperforming, in particular large cap and growth areas like technology, communication services, certain areas of discretionary and materials. So if you're involved in those areas of the market and you have some winning trades, let's think about how to manage those trades. First and foremost, we always want to kind of defer to the trend. That's something we've been writing about. We've been pointing out some of the yellow flags that we're seeing in the market, whether it relates to breadth divergences, whether it relates to this recent phenomena of semiconductors starting to slightly underperform the broader market, or even sentiment where the put-call ratio has been excessively bullish for an extended period of time. These are all dynamics that you should be aware of in the marketplace, but always deferring to the existing trend, whether it's in the market or whether it's in the individual names that you hold. So if we think about situations like Tesla recently, or Apple, or Zoom, these have been big winners. They're still very much in their uptrends, but they have become extended in the near term. So how do we think about risk management and managing a position like that? When you have a big winner that's still in an uptrend, but you want to make sure you don't give back a big chunk of your gains. I kind of think about it in two ways. First, you have your trailing stop. So whether you're using a stop based on average true range or a set percentage amount, your stop should be following price up. So as the price is trending higher, your stop should be trending higher as well. If you get a quick reversal, your stop will be triggered and you can get out of all or a portion of your position, whatever works for you and your strategy. Likewise, you can identify situations where the price has just become extended from an existing trend. You can look at a percentage above a certain moving average and pick the moving average that works best for your time frame. It could be the 200-day, the 50-day. It could be even something as short as the 21-day or 13-day moving averages, and identify situations where a stock price has become extended from that moving average. That might be a good opportunity to maybe take some off the table. I'm not saying sell the entire position, but you can maybe take a portion of your profits off the table and then let the rest ride, knowing that your stop is down below to protect you from giving back a large portion of your gains. Likewise, you can look for situations, and we wrote about this last week and provided a screen of leading growth stocks that looked like they'd become extended in the near term that could potentially be candidates for you to write call options against them. You can sell an out-of-the-money call against your existing position to take in some premium. If price reverses, you'll be protected on a portion of the downside. The caveat here is just make sure that you pick a price where you'd be comfortable selling your position, because if the price runs through the strike price of your option, you could be exercised and have to sell your position at that strike price. So a few different ways to think about risk management. We always talk about it in terms of when entering a position and setting your stop to prevent small losses from becoming big losses, but I wanted to touch on situations where you actually have a winner, the trend is still very much in your favor, and a few different ways that you could think about managing risk in that situation. So I hope you found this helpful. I'll be back soon with some updated thoughts. Have a great day, everyone. Be well, be safe.